Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video as a weekly recap, trades taken this week. This week is or was a very good, amazing week. A lot of trades, altogether 23 trades. Big news is that's why. So let's get started. This is the first one on the 6th, March 6th was Monday. The week started, and this is oil. You will see my setup is that yellow line is above the black, and this indicator all the way down, going to the upside, turning to the upside, and then the price making higher low, and red candle turns blue. That's where the setup is complete, and then my alarm beeps, and I'll take the trade. And my SL is always behind the low or the high of the entry, which is always, most of the time, it's 25 pip, 24, 25, 26, something like that, right in that range. So most of the time, my SL, if it hits, it hit like break even or maybe 5 pip, 10 pip, because when the price moves in my direction, I move my SL as well. All right, so this is how it is. So now let's take a look at the sixth, another trade, just pound Aussie. Aussie was weak, so you will see the pound Aussie, Euro Aussie going to the upside big time. So this is the trade. It's a 70 pip. My order, the buy order, sell order on the left here on the yellow mark. With the SL move to break even, you can see, and everything, all the trades are by the book, by the setup, nothing random. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. You see, this system, this setup gives a lot of entry when the price is moving in a direction. Now on the 6th, Euro Aussie, again, like I said, the Aussie was getting weak from the beginning of the week all the way to today, Friday. So Euro Aussie, pound Aussie just went up big time. On the 7th, the 7th was a big day, 7 trades on the 7th, 7 big trades on the 7th, because of the news, definitely. So like I said, Aussie was weak, so Aussie yen went down big time here, 100 pip. On the 7th, pound Aussie on the right hand side, so this pair goes up, and this was the first entry that I showed you. I cashed out here at 79.77, then it chased a little bit, and when in volume time it started to go up again, 60 pip more to the upside. On the 7th, Euro Aussie, again, this was the first entry, this is the second trade. Buy order is right there, you can see. Right, every single thing you will see by the book. This indicator must be down, turning to the upside when I take a long. Here, just the opposite. This indicator is all the way up, turning to the downside, and the price is making lower high. Yellow is below the black. That's where I make the entry. Beautiful trades on the 7 pound yen it is, and for 100 pip to the downside. Now the next one on the 7 pound USD as well, by the book entry here, and go on for 95 pip. This one on the 7 pound CAD went down big time. This is what it is, 75 pip to the downside, right? Later on, pound turned to the upside. I'll show you. Now USD yen, this went up on the 7th, right? 65. Today USD got weaker after the NFP. And that's why USD yen went down. I'll show you the trade down the road. Now here, our pound yen again going to the downside for 85 pip, sell order here, and this was the entry, and this was the entry. When this went down, I didn't move the entry. I was busy. I forgot to move it, so it went up, but my SL was still safe. If I would have moved the SL here, then it would have been gone, right? But I would have taken this one again, and the same thing, right? So that's how the system works. Now, this one I just showed you, and then it went up again and gave me an entry again for 80 pip more on the 9. Now, this one, CAD yen, like I said, the CAD was very weak, and CAD yen and CAD, and any pair where CAD was on the left-hand side, they went down, and other pairs like Euro CAD, Pound CAD, because CAD is on the right-hand side, gets weaker, and those pair went up. So this one to the downside for 110 pip. On the 9th, Euro CAD, like I said, CAD, because of weakness, this pair went up. And Euro also is strong, but mainly CAD weakness took the pound CAD to the upside. Euro yen here, 75 pip to the downside on the 9th. And here on the 9 pound Aussie, again, beautiful entry here. You can see it, this one. This is wrong here. By the way, I forgot to change it. It is 20-minute chart where the brick size is 15. And this is for 160 pip from here to here. Now, this is because of pound strength. And let me show you here. On my Telegram, I posted here the pound pairs going up and GC making long. So GC, you will see here already. No, after this, GC making long, and this was the one, and it went up. I also took this one on the other computer, and you will see that down the road. This is EuroCAD again, second entry for 50 pip, and then you have this gold trade, by the way. Gold is supposed to go up, so I just took early entry. I could have taken this one, but I knew that it's going to bounce from above 1802. Let me show you the gold chart I made was this, and I made it on the 28th January, that this is where it is. It's going to go up a little bit first and then drop here and then bounce from 1802. Look what happened. Exactly the same thing happened. It went up, then came down all the way to 1802 and bouncing now. And that's where I have this trade. And I will have more trades down the road next week. Look at that beautiful trade all the way to the upside. Look at the entries. How many entries, right? From 1823 to all the way to 1856. It's today, right? This gold trade. And after that, this is the second entry on pound CAD. When I said that pound CAD is making long, the first one was here, second was here, from here to here, and then this is from here to all the way there for 150 pip. This is how this system is amazing. Now, pound yen also, because of pound, I said pound pairs are going up. So yes, all pound pairs started to go up from the 9th and 10th, Thursday and Friday, because of yen index. Let me show you the yen index, how powerfully it was going to the upside. Yen index, this is what it is. See that? Posting blue candle going all the way here. So when pound index is doing that, pound is getting strong and sending every pound thing. And not everybody, euro pound is on the right hand side. So that pair will go down, but everything else will go up. Okay. And pound is index on the move. So GJ, this is a long here, and another one, pound USD. After this is NFP, but I was long here based on my analysis that pound index is getting strong. So this was a long setup, and I took it. And after that, 140 pip on this one on today on the 10th, and on the 10th USD yen. It is also because of USD weakness after the NFP, and look what happened from there to there, all the way 190 pip. Okay, and SL is right. SL moved to break even plus. My sell order here. This was also an entry, but this is the one that I took, and it went down all the way. So these are the few trades that I wanted to show. That this is what happened. This is the system gave me all of that. And everything is by the alarm. This one I don't have the alarm, but let me see. See, this is CTS alarm 5. It beeps when all 4 conditions are there. It'll start beeping and telling me, the message window opens up that, okay, so-and-so pair is making a long setup. And then simply I have to see a couple of things just to make sure the 40-minute chart is in a line, and then take the trade, and then place the SL right behind the low or the high, whatever it is, and which is, always like 24, 25 pip, fixed SL. So this is how it is. I don't make trades or open the trade like if the move is here or here or here, the REIS is going up. No, as soon as it makes the turn and few blue candles, and boom, I open the trade. Okay, so this is how it is. Just wanted to show you guys. You want to, if you like it and you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn how to trade, go to this my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. And I just showed you the Telegram. I have that. And if you need to learn the system and the whole trading business from A to Z and become master of it, then I would suggest to sign up for a one-on-one course that I have on my website, where I teach over Zoom, 10-hour course, 1 hour each. Within 30 days, the course will be finished and you will become master of it. Whole trading business. With this system, anything you can open in MT4, you can trade, including the commodities, metal, or energy or stocks or bonds, whatever that you can open MT4. Different instruments have different settings that I teach you there. No big deal. If you want to trade gold, gold has different settings than Forex pairs. Okay, oil has slightly different setting than gold. So yeah, but system works on MT4 only, and it is for all the instrument that you can open in MT4. Okay, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit click on the bell icon so that you can get my video on time, because I'm gonna make several videos now. The next video I will be making with gold. Gold is amazing and it is moving very, very good according to my charts and my analysis, and we have a long way to go in this gold pair. I predicted from here actually. So I said we're gonna go up all the way here, so we did. Then I made this chart that we're gonna drop here and then go up. So that's exactly what is happening now. It went down here, 1802, and now just starting. So imagine if you go up here, how far. So how to take the entries from this using the system, I'll show you in my next video. So like I said, that subscribe the channel so that you can get my videos on time, and you're gonna learn a lot. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.